Thank you for selecting Menards to help you with your project. The materials for your project will be delivered directly from the manufacturing plant to your job site. This short video will go through the job site experience from first notification to the day of delivery. After the manufacturing plant has set a production date, a job site coordinator will contact you with the delivery date. With a production and delivery date now set, it is important to review the type of equipment that will be making the delivery to ensure the site is properly prepared. These are big trucks with big trailers that cannot leave compacted areas. If you do not have a compacted area, the delivery will be made at the end of the driveway. The first delivery we are going to look at is done with our master lift delivery truck. Once on site, the driver will change the truck into a forklift and start unloading. You can see in the video how well the site is compacted, which allows the driver plenty of room to maneuver the semi-tractor and place the product for a post-frame building where needed for easy construction. Depending on the size and quantity of trusses, a roller trailer may be required. In this example, the driver is able to access the new construction and safely roll the trusses off the trailer onto a compacted area. Keep in mind the size of the semi and trailer when preparing your site to receive the delivery. These trucks are large and are not capable of going off-road. If there are any changes in your building site that require a date change, please contact your job site coordinator. If you think any conditions will not make the delivery possible, such as hairpin turns, or weight limitations, or site conditions, please contact your job site coordinator to discuss options. Please remember these are not off-road vehicles. If you need the materials in an area we are likely to get stuck, here are some examples of equipment guests or contractors have used to unload the trucks and move the materials to the desired area. On the day of delivery, you will receive notification when the truck leaves the plant with an ETA of when they will be arriving on the site. If you have any issues or delays, please contact your job site coordinator right away to come up with a new plan for your delivery. Thank you for shopping with Menards on all of your home improvement needs.